Dear friends, listen, I'm going to tell you a bitter truth today. The rich man is not the one who is standing next to a rented Lamborghini on Instagram. The real rich man is the one who owns the parking lot from which that Lamborghini pulled up last night. I'm not kidding. Some of the most stable and successful people in the world have built their wealth from businesses that sound more boring than a sleeping pill. No glitz, no tech disruption, no viral reels. Just plain, cheap, boring printing presses. Today, I'm going to tell you 6 such boring businesses that those who understand have quietly made millionaires. And the best part? You don't need a unique idea, a huge investment, or a business degree to start any of them. All you need is a little common sense, a little patience, and a habit of solving real problems without showing off. Let's get started.
The first number is the laundromat. That is, the place where people wash clothes and operating their own machines. Now, you must be thinking, what kind of business is this? There are 2 machines installed in the entire village. But stop. Understand the math behind it. What is the biggest problem of any retail in this business? If it's a clothing store, the fashion changes. The goods are stuck. If it's a restaurant, the food spoils, the loss. But in a laundromat, there is no mention of inventory. Nothing rots, nothing goes out of fashion. Second advantage, the customer is paying you to run the machine up front and doing the hard work himself. All you have to do is arrange for water, electricity, and soap, and he irons his own shirt. And the best part? This business is absentee. That means you don't have to be there all the time. Hire a manager, install cameras, and count coins. Even in a recession, people will wear clean clothes, right? A simple, boring cash flow machine.
The second business is self-storage. Small rooms or cabinets to store people's belongings. Who is crazy enough to go out of their house and buy a place to store their belongings? But listen, human nature has a hoarding disease. It's called hoarding in English. Cities change, businesses grow, old furniture, files, broken children's toys, all this cannot be thrown away due to emotional attachment. So what do people do? They rent a small space on a monthly basis, put the junk of their lives there, and forget about it. Now look at the business model. You take an old plot, erect a simple building, build dozens of units in it. The rent that comes after that is almost pure profit. There are no maintenance costs, no high electricity bills, no water hassles, no daily customer outcry. If someone doesn't pay rent, you have the legal right to sell their belongings and collect the balance. This is a treasure standing on the ground. It's just time to look up and see. I had hinted at this third business at the beginning of the video. Parking lots and small parking plazas, especially in cities where vehicles are. The beauty of it is its extreme simplicity. What are you doing? Just taking a piece of land, drawing lines on it, and collecting money from parked cars.
This is no manufacturing, no supply chain, no complex technology. Once the infrastructure is in place, a little leveling, a gate, cameras, the running costs are very low. The whole game is about the location of the land. If you have a small plot of land near a hospital, a market, a courthouse, or a busy commercial area, you have an asset that is making money even while you sleep. It is as if you have turned your land into an ATM machine that sorts out notes every hour.
And the fourth number, which is very common to hear, but great in earning, the oil and lubricants business. That is, selling engine oil, grease, and industrial lubricants. Now, you will say, petrol pump people sell this. What is our role in this? But listen, the real game is not in retail, but in those workshops, transport companies, and small factories where vehicles and machines are repaired every day. Is so boring that there is no shine in it, no beautiful packaging, no advertising campaign. But every vehicle, every generator, every motor needs oil, and this thing runs out again and again. What do you have to do? Get the distribution of a large oil company, or pack your own brand. Then get a small warehouse and start supplying local mechanics, auto parts shops, and bus depots. It is not a perishable commodity. And if you give your stuff to a workshop once, and they trust the quality, they will buy from you every month. It's a quiet, unglamorous, but hugely in-demand business. The fifth is that is common business, but few people turn it into the business of supplying clean drinking water. A person can live for a few days without food, but cannot live without water. Every home, every office, every school has a filter, but people still order water from outside.
This is a need that will never go away.
Supplying water to customers is a subscription model. A fixed amount is coming in from each house, no fancy packaging, no tension of changing models, no fear of stock going bad. The biggest advantage? Once people get used to the taste and quality of your water, they don't go here and there. It's a loyalty business. In big cities, banks, clinics, gyms, everyone orders in bulk. You have to take out a car every morning and deliver water and count the money in the evening.
The number 6 is business, which most read. Those who have written the scriptures have written the scriptures. Getting a contract? This contract is usually they are annual, and if they become a relationship once, they are afraid to change because they are afraid. It is a great thing. Estimate monthly income, 10 to 15 clients. Fi client is a reasonable. Regular subscriptions are coming. Look at the money account on the first of each month. Like the model, it was 6 businesses. Laundromat, self-storage, parking lot, water supply, commercial cleaning, and oil lubricants. Their names are called, but they are called. Thousands of families are silent. What they all have in common is real. Solve problems brilliantly, not a dream. There is no night in them. Not to be confused, but to be a strong empire in 20 years. There is patience. And the biggest thing is all this business average intelligence.
If today's video made you realize that there is nothing wrong with being boring, then don't forget to like and share this video.